All right, just as we've been talking about in class, the coordinate plane, I'm just going to do a couple of examples just to clear up any misconceptions you may have. And if you have any more questions, make sure, of course, you write me on Edmodo, or you refer to the lesson PowerPoint, which is also uploaded. All right, so we're going to start with graphing, and I'll try to pull this down so you can see it. Graphing negative 5, 4. Negative 5, 4. So this is our point, and we're going to graph this or represent this on the coordinate plane. Now in class, remember I told you that an ordered pair is made up of an x and a y. The x is always first, and the y is always second. Now the x value tells you to go left or right, and the y value tells you to go up or down. Okay, so again, the x tells you to go left or right, the y value tells you to go up or down. Okay, so if you go to the left, looking at just a regular number line, just pretend this is a regular number line. Going to the right, of course, that means your numbers are positive. Going to the left tells me that my numbers are negative. So if you go to the left, then that represents a negative number. If you go to the right, that represents a positive number. If you're in an up mood or if you're upbeat, that means you're positive. And if you're down and depressed, of course, you're in a negative mood. So the same thing here. Again, if your x is negative, you're going to go to the left. If your x is positive, you're going to go to the right. If your y is positive, you're going to go up. And if your y is negative, you're going to go down. So let's go back to our example, negative 5, 4. So starting at my origin, that's one of the vocabulary words you should know. Origin is the place where you begin, and it's the place where the two number lines meet. Okay, so my origin, which is 0, 0, I'm going to start here. Now, looking at my x, again, it's a negative 5. So negative, okay, I'm going to go left. So I'm going to go left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then my y value, it's a positive 4, so I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put my dot there, my point there. And that is how you represent negative 5, 4. But what about, let's try negative 3, negative 7. Negative 3, negative 7. Now looking and referring back to the notes we wrote up here, let's start from our origin. Again, if it's a negative x, that means I'm going to go to the left. So I'm going to the left 3, 1, 2, 3. And my y value is also negative, so I'm going to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is how you represent negative 7. Again, the first point is negative 5, 4. The second point is negative 3, negative 7. And this is how you represent ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. Again, if you have any questions, write them down or refer to our lesson PowerPoint and ask me in class, or you can write me on Edmodo. I hope this video was very helpful to you, and I'll see you in class.